In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Commonwealth Bank app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use the Commonwealth Bank app on any device that you have, either Android or iOS devices. The app is available on the Play Store or the App Store, and as long as you have an account with the Commonwealth Bank, you will be able to download the app, open it up, and start using its services. As you can see, the first time you open it, it is going to help you set it up. You can log on to a pre-existing account, or you can even register for a Commonwealth Bank account if necessary. Like I said previously, I'm just going to assume that you already have an account, but if you need to, select I need a bank account and follow through the instructions here. But as long as you have an account properly set up, you will be able to sign into the mobile banking app by inputting your client number and password. If you need additional help, just follow the instructions listed here at the bottom if you are using a token or if you need help recovering your details. Anyways, after you are done signing into the app, you will find all the usual features of online banking inside of the app. So as you can see, you have plenty of options. Even on the home screen alone, you will be able to browse through your accounts, you can issue payments, browse through your cards, and see your profile. You can see the balance on every single account that you own, you can invest, browse through rewards, see the home hub with a news feed, plan your money spending and income, etc. Everything will be available inside of the app with no additional cost. Make sure that you update it as necessary every time there is an available update, and you will be able to make transactions and manage your Commonwealth Bank account directly through your Android or iOS device. If you encounter any problems while trying to use the app, make sure that your credentials are correct and that you are able to sign into the app with them. You should be good to go as long as your Commonwealth Bank account is properly set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Commonwealth Bank app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.